Real quick, my friends, before we get this video started, I have a very important reminder / announcement. Guys, we are down to the final days for you to get entered to win my personal dually. Wrenchworks giveaway number 18 closes this upcoming Wednesday, the 18th. Dually, brand new trailer, plus the 20 grand that it comes with, all coming to an end right before Christmas. Someone is going to be getting the call of a lifetime, so you only have days left to get entered. On top of that, the highest entry multiplier is on the last week. So right now you have the best chance at taking home the keys to the entire setup just by going to wrenchworks.com. Every dollar that you spend counts towards $1 is one entry times 75 for the final week. Now, on top of that, we just dropped some limited edition. When I say limited edition, right here, you guys, I posted these on Instagram and my Snapchat, but the gold and black Milwaukee, you know, on the website, they'll be called multi-tools because you can't say knives on the internet anymore because, well, it's 2025. Anyway, these are on the website. These have 75 times entries. So make sure you guys go get entered. Go pick up a limited edition knife. We also just dropped limited edition metal tag hats, which are absolutely killer. So we just dropped hats, we just dropped the knives. On top of that, you have the highest entry multiplier. If you have too much merch, which is impossible, you can just grab quick entries. And they have 75 times entries. So make sure you guys go get entered. It's going to be one heck of a phone call saying that you won the entire setup. But anyway, let's get on with the video. It is road trip season, and that is exactly what we are about to do. We have been hunting another truck down now for probably about 4 weeks. We've been trying to buy this specific truck for 4 weeks. There's been a lot of back and forth, but we are finally headed down to hopefully pick up this truck. Now, we do hunt a lot of G56 trucks. I'll give that part of it away. But this truck has something that is a little more unique and a little more quote unquote rare. You just don't see it very often with this spec. I've been putting a little more effort than I normally would to try to obtain this truck. It's not that far away, which also is a plus, but we are about ready to jump in the truck, go ahead about an hour to Tennessee, and hopefully go purchase. You guys know we've been on the hunt for a little while. The stockpile is looking a little low down here, so this one we are hoping is really worth it. We've put up with a lot of things and stuff to get this truck. So hopefully all is well. Hopefully all checks out, and we're not even gonna put into our mind that it's not going to. But we're headed down to go pick up this truck. You'll see the rare feature that we have been talking about that will make this truck extremely worth it. Good old clap gen doing clap gen things, just getting us where we need to go. Spilling transmission fluid out of the power steering reservoir along the whole entire way, but you know what? You'll have that on them clap jobs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Well, before any road trip, you know the drill. Diesel here is $3.09. Wonder if we're gonna get below $3 here fairly soon. Maybe once our man Donnie pumps in office. Yeah, Donnie T says down with diesel, bro.
Down with diesel, thank you.
Approved. Hey, crazy, it was approved, man. That's wild. Do it. Do it. Come on. Oh yeah. Just want to let you know, Dawson, that if we do end up driving this, getting this thing home, I'm driving the new one home.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just saying,
I would hate.
I thought it over. I was like, you know what? I think. I don't know if you can handle the new one.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they probably want to see rollers of it, and we know you can't do that real well. So. I'll step put the big dog in, you know.
The big cat.
Ooh.
Big cat. Meow. Meow.
You ready?
Yeah, where's your snack at, bro? Where's your nutty buddy?
I got those. Too many calories.
Beach season's coming up, bro. Beach season's coming up. We gotta slim down. 0 calorie energy drinks only, you know?
Exactly.
sure they can already see it.
Yes.
I do love this color though.
It's a great color.
This color is sick. And you already know. I ain't even test driving unless you got this, the thing popped. 60,000 miles on this one.
What a gem.
Gem. She goes through all the gears. I love living down here, you know? It's like, and just check for rust. It's like, you don't really need to check for really rust down here a whole lot.
Welcome to the South, brother.
Welcome to the South, brother.
It's a freaking race truck.
It's gonna be when we're done with it. What?
T-cans.
It's a T-can killer right here, brother. It's a
killer.
T-can killer. We don't test drive a whole lot of trucks, and this one is just not really cleaned out yet. So I'm just like, there's things and stuff everywhere.
I don't know why it's not cleaned out, but it's not.
Well, he better clean it out because we're taking it.
The seatbelt dinger has definitely got to go.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is that just gonna ruin the vibe?
I mean, we're all listening to it right now.
We're all listening to it. Everyone watching this video is listening to this. Well, there it is.
My favorite song.
All right, well, let's pay the man. Drives really nice.
Brother, that's you. That's the guy she told you not to worry about.
Yeah, that'd be that guy.
This thing looks so good.
Does it?
Down the road. Oh,
yeah. Sunroof. It drives really nice.
I can't wait to drive it.
It's smooth. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it's nothing like the clapper over here,
Right,
but I mean.
right. No, the clapper's mint.
PAU. I don't know exactly what that is, but I forgot. We've been looking at so many trucks like off and on. 2017 2500, 60,000 miles on it. Laramie, sunroof. I mean, sunroof just pretty much trumps all, honestly. It's got Fox 2.0s on it. It's got a clutch. It's got a fuel system. It's got American Force wheels on it. Some 33s on 22s, Daw's favorite. Big wheel setup guy.
Big wheel setup guy. Buddy's huge.
It's in very good shape. The guy before this guy, he 5th gen swapped, like, we usually do 5th gen taillights. He did 5th gen rear bumper, tailgate.
It actually looks really good.
I really like it. I was like, man,
this thing driving, like following this thing, I was like, wow.
Yeah, you like, nice. Honestly, like you couldn't tell if it was a 5th gen. So it's like it doesn't look abnormal at all whatsoever.
I was glad that this like lined up.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like this body line is the same. You've got an updated handle, an updated badge. We already do the tail lights, which already got 5th gen tail lights in it, which is awesome. And they're done really nicely.
They are.
And the bumper looks.
Everything's very tasteful.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I mean, it's a sharp looking truck. Like before we even do anything with it. Like I like these license plates.
Yeah. I mean, this thing is begging for some power.
It's got a pop. Yeah, it is. It's got a like that polished elbow out the back. Not an elbow, but like the rear section's polished out.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, I like it. So every truck we buy has a cover on it. You notice that? Like every truck.
You're the only one who doesn't do 2 new covers.
2 new covers. She needs a good detail, but I mean, it's had seat covers on the whole thing. Heated and cooled seats.
Love it. Can't wait to drive it.
Another gem. Just another gem. All right, well, need lunch? You need lunch? Are you eating lunch? You need lunch?
Yes.
Dawson needs lunch. Pop the hood, Terry. Oh my goodness, would you just look at that. All right, so we are obviously home with the new rig. First drive home, honestly, extremely nice. Extremely nice. Like, I don't know how the clapper rode back there, but you know, this thing rides really, really nicely. So it's got some suspension done on it, and it is a 2500 truck. So 2500 trucks with the coil rear end honestly ride pretty dang well. We've got Fox 2.0 shocks on this bad Larry already, but honestly drives really, really well. It's got Nitto Ridge grapplers on it, 33 1250 22s, set of American Force, it looks like 22 by 12s on there. Somebody previous to us put this thing on a little bit of a weight loss program. Looks like she's got an intake, and if you look closely here, somebody has already put ARP 625 head studs in this guy. This thing has been taken care of really, really, really nicely. All of the stuff that's been paint matched on it previously, and again, we've gotten a lot of paint match stuff that's been done previously, and we end up having to redo it all, and it just kind of is what it is. But whoever did the paint match on this truck, it matches really well. The finish is really, really nice. So it's a very, very, very nice truck, and we didn't really have that many pictures to go on. We just knew that it had a sunroof, which we were really, really drawn to. It was a nice color that you don't see all that often. I'm not going to call this a rare color or a rare combination, not that there's any of them out there that isn't exactly the same spec, but the sunroof in a G56 is definitely a little bit harder to find with a truck with lower miles. Again, you might be able to find a truck out there that has a ton of miles with a sunroof in this color and a 6-speed, and that's great. I'm not saying you can't never find this truck again, but the fact that it has the low miles with all of the nice options, like I said, heated and cooled seats, it's got the spray-in bed liner. We already told you that we're pretty much digging the fifth gen rear end swap. There she is. Spray-in bed liner, got a nice bed mat. The bed floor even looks fantastic. So overall, way cleaner of a truck than I was anticipating. Again, 5th gen taillights, paint matched really, really nicely. Engine bay looks very, very clean, which we love. We love building trucks that are already really, really clean and nice. Again, the underside of this truck is absolutely beautiful, and yeah, you already know this is just the beginning for this truck, but we do have a couple things that I would like to do to this thing right away. And you guys know I have a weird obsession with these antennas. Like, I don't know what it is. When I'm driving, I just stare at this thing. I just stare at this thing going like this, and I just can't do it. So,
yeah, you don't have ADHD or anything.
No, I would never. So we're gonna get rid of this. We keep those things on us. The other thing is, while some people may really...
Brother.
They make wind noise.
Oh, really?
They do. Not a ton, but...
I never had them, so, you know.
No, you know, I'm just...
Wow.
Look at that. Doesn't that just look so clean? I don't know. Are you for or against rain guards?
You know, the Ford guys seem to have paint matched all of theirs.
Paint matched rain guards.
And it kind of gives me this like chop window.
Peterbilt look?
Peterbilt look.
Peterbilt look. Okay, so here you go. You got the side without the rain guards. And I will say this, the truck's never been smoked in, obviously, because for some reason, I just feel like, what do you got rain guards on for? It's like, oh, do you smoke? No, nobody's smoking it.
Do they come wrapped like that on the pillars?
Some do and some don't, you know? Like, this obviously does, but like, my truck never did. Not sure if it's a color thing or not, but behind this is the color of the truck.
Right. I just wish they did that gloss.
You know, maybe we'll do something there, but a lot of guys do this in gloss. I like to see the factory color, but I mean, it's just one of those things. Could go either way.
Could go either way.
Could go either way. First mod, taking stuff off. Gotta get our boy TK and Matthew to retint this thing. It's got a little purple.
Oh,
got a little purple.
Easy on the hood, brother.
Easy on this hood. Yeah.
That perfect paint job.
You know, we're just making improvements on the first day here.
First hours. They need a knife.
Ooh, no. You know what they need?
You know what they need?
You know what they need? They need to go get themselves one of these knives that are probably not available anymore because they're so limited that... Watch Greg cut himself. Oh, baby. That's what you need.
Let me see that thing. Let me see that thing.
That's what you need right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me that doesn't look better. I mean, how much horsepower do you think that just added?
At least 15.
I was gonna go a solid 100, but this thing runs good. I blew your doors off on the way home, just so you know.
I would hope so. I would hope so.
Don't talk about her like that. She's right outside.
Yeah. Brenda out there.
Brenda!
Yeah. She ain't it.
If O'Reilly's stock goes up in, you know, getting rid of these antennas, you know why. I mean, honestly, like, I was trying to look it over, like, all of the paint match stuff.
It's nice.
There's not even any rock chips in it.
It looks fresh. Like, I don't know if he just had it done or
Maybe they repainted this stuff. Like, I don't know, but I can't tell that it's been repainted, which I normally can because we've gotten so much paint work done. But there's not any rock chips in it, and for even a truck with 60,000 miles to have no rock chips, that's like the truck was taken care of for sure. Which
barn find.
Barn find.
Literally.
Barn find 2017, you know? Did I say 60? I meant 6,000 miles, okay?
Right, there you go.
And it did get pulled out of a barn. Polished rear exhaust section? I mean, that's your ass.
I love it.
You just want to put a big old cannon back there.
No.
You want the polished elbow.
Oh, I have the polished elbow, yeah. But that's gonna be smaller than that tip right there.
Well, boys, that's about it. I'll take that back from you. But yeah, that's pretty much the new rig, guys. Drop some comments down below. What should we do? What should we do a little different with this thing? We try to switch it up on some things and stuff, suspension-wise, build-wise. Let us know what you guys would like to see on this build specifically. It's a new color that we've never done, some powder coat color options. We did kind of kick around the idea of what's the red that we did before?
Illusion Cherry.
Illusion Cherry, which if you guys remember the gray second gen that we did, that red absolutely popped on this thing. So powder coat color, you know, what do you think? The one thing that isn't up for discussion is we are going to be doing a fuel system on this truck. And I don't mean the lift pump, so to say. I think we're going to do some injectors, do a little bit different on the pump side of things. Give this thing some spice. Because, you know, it's really just begging to be, you know, T-Can Killa 2.0. He loved that, by the way. He already sent me a message. It does have a fast lift pump underneath here, which I have never seen one tucked up that nicely on a truck. Usually, you know, the filters are hanging down right about here. But whoever put that in, I will give you kudos on that because you can't really see the filters a whole lot, which is nice. That's how you should do them, boys. That is pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. If you haven't already, like I said beginning this video, time is running out for you to get entered in the dually, the trailer, the 20 grand. The highest entry multiplier is back for the last week of the giveaway, so your chance has never been better. If you haven't already, grab a set of some limited edition hats, some limited edition knives. I'm telling you, once these are gone, they're gone. We are not getting them back for this giveaway. So if you haven't already, and there's still some there, I'd highly recommend it, but grab some hats, grab some stuff. Also, if you haven't either, if you have too many black t-shirts, if there's nothing on the website at all and you just want to get some more entries with the highest entry multiplier, you can get quick entries, and that will also get you entered with the highest entry multiplier. So one of you guys is getting the Christmas gift of a lifetime coming soon, so make sure you guys grab that stuff. We will see you guys in the next video very, very soon. See ya.